Hey guys, so today I'll be sharing a 5-minute makeup tutorial that you can use in everyday makeup look. So without wasting any time, let's get started. For moisturizer, I have been using this CeraVe moisturizer and it's pretty much good on my skin. I apply it all over my face with my hands. I'll be using this Maybelline Dream Urban Cover. So I apply it all over my face like this. With this type of brush, I blend it. The brush gives a full coverage. So if you don't want to use brush, you can use beauty blender because it gives the most natural look. And yeah, I blend it all over on my eyes as well. And this is the coverage the foundation gives. Lip balm, I have been using this Laneige lip balm. Then with my hands I apply it, and this lip balm is very good for hydration. I don't know which brand is this blush from. I use a cream blush. You can use any kind of cream blush. I apply it on my cheekbones and gradually move upwards. Then I'll be using the setting powder from Maybelline, the setting powder. I don't go directly on my face. I dab some of the products on my hands. I usually apply it on my T-zones. Apply it all over the face where it gets most oily. Then for the eyebrows, I'll be using the golden rose. Then firstly I brush it. I start from the edge, then gradually come in the front. This is the difference. For the eyes, I use this palette from LA Girl and I use the brown shade. Then remove some excess powder and then blend all over my eyelids. For the eyelashes, I curl it 2 times. And then for the mascara, I'll be using this Clinique mascara. After that, I'll be brushing all of my setting powder. Then I'll be using the LA Girl palette and bronze it on my jawline, on my cheekbones, and a little bit on my forehead. Then for the lips, I'll be going for MAC lipstick. The shade is a little dimmed. This gives the glossy lips. So this is the makeup tutorial that you can do in 5 minutes. I'll be seeing all of you in my next video.